You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. That is to say, the Italian pronunciation, even though I believe he is Italian American, right? So, it's arguable whether you need to pronounce it perfectly in Italian, which is Luigi, you probably knew that, Mangione. Yes, you can replace the GI with a J sound, okay? That's essentially the Italian way of writing a J, GI. Luigi Mangione. Now, in the US it's often pronounced as Luigi Mangione, but it's more Mangione, Luigi Mangione. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.